What's up, guys? Good morning. Today I'm gonna to show you one of the most amazing, fantastic Thai street food. We call it omelette. So probably I think you guys, if you have been to Thailand, you've been see this kind of dish on the street. So today I'm going to show you how to cook the simple and easy Thai omelette to all of you guys. So the basic ingredient actually for the Thai omelette is very simple, easy. The Thai omelette we in Thai call it is kai jiao, right? So the ingredient is actually is just depends on your flavor. For me, I like a little bit green onion flavor, and I like the minced pork flavor in it. It's up to you. Maybe you like some green onion, you like some red onion, maybe you like some dills and the spices that you can all everything that you can put it inside of your bowl before you are cooking. But just remember one thing. The Thai omelette, it seems like the Western people eat the omelette. Everything you need to cut very small dice, okay? But because it is easy for cooking. And honestly, for the Thai omelette, the basic things that you need to prepare is just that two eggs over there, right there, okay? Just that two eggs is the basic one, and the soy sauce. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to do how to make the Thai omelette. We crack the eggs into the bowl, just like this. Okay, one egg, two egg, and you can use your chopsticks or forks. Take a quick stir. And you can do like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, just depends on you. Because if you're like take longer, it's probably the egg yolks and egg whites probably got a lot of like airs in it. So when you are cooking it, it will be more um, fluffy. Okay, so after your quick stir, and let's gonna to put some pork, minced pork, into the bowl. And stir, and make sure the minced pork not sticky together. Let it separate it. All right, and put the green onion and stir. Let it into the bowl evenly, into the eggs evenly. Okay, so next we should put some like white pepper. Just depends on your flavor. I like the white pepper. When we are eating in the morning, it's not bad. And then we put some soy sauce into the bowl. All right. Then we stir again. Okay, now we are ready. Okay, so now I'm going to heat up the pan, okay, to the high, and make sure that you have to add enough oil. So maybe you can use the high heat first, and after that maybe you can turn it to the medium heat. Okay, heat the pan first. Avoid when you are cooking, the eggs will be sticky to the pan, but for me it's okay because I use the non-sticky pan right there. Okay, it's okay, just wait for a second. So now I can feel the pan is already hot. Then let's put the eggs into the pan. There we go. Okay, the eggs is pretty good smell. Then we also can shake the pan for a while. Avoid the other side is like sticky, right? So the other side actually is like this color, and then you stir it, turn off your heat. Then I think I'm ready to go. Wow, it's really nice flavor. I think I will enjoy it pretty much today to refill a lot of morning energy. Okay. Alright, so now we are done. This is the Thai omelette. Serve with the rice, but usually most of the Thai guys they like to serve with the white jasmine rice, but for me I don't know, I just want to make something special, so I use the black rice. Oh, because the eggs are a little bit fatty, then I put some like the buffalo sauce. I think most of the guys, the buffalo sauce, the flavor is a little bit sour and a little bit spicy, which is pretty good. All right. Oh, my water mouse came out my mouth. Okay, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.